It was the most anticipated time of the year, and the small town of Evergreen Hills was adorned with twinkling lights, festive decorations, and the sweet scent of pine in the air. Nestled at the edge of the town was an old Victorian mansion known as Yuletide Manor, which had been abandoned for decades. The townsfolk whispered stories about its dark past, but curiosity got the better of a group of friends who decided to spend the holidays exploring the mysterious mansion. On Christmas Eve, Sarah, Jake, Emma, and Mark gathered at the town square. Armed with flashlights and a sense of adventure, they made their way to Yuletide Manor. The mansion loomed before them like a silent sentinel, its windows reflecting the glow of the moon. As the group entered, the air grew colder, and shadows danced on the walls like ghostly apparitions. Despite the chill, the friends pressed on, their laughter echoing through the empty halls. They explored room after room, each one frozen in time with antique furniture draped in dusty white sheets. In the grand hall, they discovered a towering Christmas tree adorned with vintage ornaments. The flickering candlelight created an eerie ambience that sent shivers down their spines. The friends exchanged uneasy glances, but their curiosity kept them going. As the clock struck midnight, strange occurrences began to unfold. Whispers echoed through the halls, and distant footsteps creaked on the old floorboards. The temperature dropped further, and the friends could see their breath in the air. Mark, always the skeptic, brushed it off as the old house settling. The group decided to move to the attic, where rumors spoke of a hidden room containing the secrets of Yuletide Manor. The door to the attic creaked open, revealing a narrow staircase leading to darkness. As they climbed, the air became thick with tension. Upon reaching the attic, they discovered an old chest covered in cobwebs. With trembling hands, they opened it to find a collection of antique photographs and letters. The images depicted a family that had once lived in the manor, their faces frozen in haunting expressions. Suddenly, the temperature plummeted, and the friends could see their breath forming frosty clouds. Whispers turned into desperate cries, and shadows materialized into ghostly figures. The room seemed to come alive with the spirits of the past, recounting a tragic tale of betrayal and loss. Terrified, the friends fled the attic, racing down the staircase as the ghostly apparitions followed in pursuit. The once grand halls became a maze of nightmares, with the spirits closing in. Desperation set in as the friends struggled to find an exit. Finally, they burst through the front doors into the crisp night air, gasping for breath. As they turned to look back at Yuletide Manor, they saw the spectral figures lingering in the windows, their mournful gazes following the intruders. From that night on, the friends carried the chilling memory of their haunted Christmas adventure. Evergreen Hills, once a town of